My name is Dr. Michael Otte, and I am one of 80 physician radiologists with Radiology Imaging Associates, also staffing the Invision Jobe network. My specialty is orthopedic radiology. I think that these events have affected all of medicine, both in the hospital and out of the hospital. A significant percentage of healthcare occurs outside of hospital doors, and I know all of our radiologists and nearly 400 employees were impacted by this in some way. We all work together though and try to keep our employees together because they have incredible expertise, and as we start to come out of this pandemic, we are able to restart our services to the community in a much more measured and appropriate way. Radiology Imaging Associates never failed in its mission to provide necessary medical imaging for the hospital partners. As we reopen our Invision Jobe centers for the community, we are providing additional training for our technologists, social distancing, and cleaning of all equipment to provide safety for our patient population. I don't think that the incidence of appendicitis, gallstones, heart attacks, or cancers diminished during the time of this respiratory virus. And these patients waited 4 to 6 weeks to get in to seek care, and we want to provide that for them as expeditiously as we can. Personally, I've never been around more empathetic staff and physicians than with Invision Jobe and Radiology Imaging Associates. The past 3 months have been tough on all providers while we want to take care of patients in the community, but realize the need for quarantine and social distancing. As we reopen, we're happy to take care of you at envisionsallyjobe.com, 720-493-3700.